Hi, Jessie here. I'm so excited. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use doTERRA's link generator. It's super slick. I promise you. It's so easy and a great way to share. So your first step is you need to log into your doTERRA account. Top right-hand corner where it says account, hover over that, and you're going to see the option of link generator. Super quick. You click on that. So you have three options. You could do the new member custom cart, existing member, or retail order, and then the share and educate button. 95% of the time, I hang out in the new member custom cart. The other ones are great options, but I don't use them very often. Okay. So if somebody just wanted to learn more about MetaPower or lifelong vitality, you would choose the share and educate. doTERRA's website is robust and full of great education. So you could send them that link so they can read up more and learn more about the product. The existing member or retail order would be if somebody didn't want their own wholesale account, which means they didn't want to get 25% off, or it's someone that already has an account. Maybe you were just talking with a friend and you're telling about some of the oils that you loved. They're like, oh my goodness, I didn't remember all of the oils you said. So you could do this existing member option, click on that, throw the items you talked about with your friend, and then send them the link, and then it will prompt and ask them to log into their own account that they already have. But then new member custom cart, that's the one where you're going to 95% of the time use. You would click on that where it says create member link. Now you have the enrollment kit option, which whenever someone gets an enrollment kit, you're going to get the most bang for your buck, deeper than 25% off. So look here, you see, the different kit options. So the Healthy Start Kit, can you see where its wholesale pricing is $160? It's 100 PV. Home Essentials Kits, $270, 235 PVs. If your person's enrollment order is at least 100 PV, they're going to get free shipping. Okay. If their enrollment order is over 150 PVs, they are going to get free shipping plus a free pebble diffuser. So it's just awesome, right? Okay, so you would select the kit if someone wanted to get a kit, you would just select the kit that you would want. But then a lot of people, especially now that doTERRA has waived the $35 enrollment fee, if they're connected with a wellness advocate, a lot of people are loving that because they can just pick what items they want. So if someone just wanted a bottle of lavender, they could enroll with a bottle of lavender. The $35 membership fee is waived. They get that bottle of lavender at 25% off. And then for the next year, whenever they order, they get that 25% off. So it's a great, great, great option. The same rule applies that if someone picked their own products and they did at least 100 PV, they're going to get free shipping. If it's at least 150 PV, then they're going to get that free shipping and a free diffuser. So let's just put a few things in the cart. Let's put some pink pepper. Let's put some peppermint beadlets. Why not? So if these are the two things that someone wanted, peppermint beadlets and pink pepper. Do you see it's $38, 38 PV, okay? So, but you watch that amount over there. So then if somebody, I'm going to put in lifelong vitality because, I mean, come on, it's my favorite thing ever. So do you see how the lifelong vitality, it's $85, it's 62 PV. So not everything is PV dollar equivalent. So you want to make sure, oh, look at this. Okay, so order total is $123. It's 100 PVs. So this person, if these are the items they ordered, they would get free shipping. So cool. Then let's add in something else. Let's say they want some frankincense. Okay. Let's do a frankincense touch. So now the PV amount is 150. So they would get free shipping. They would get a free diffuser, and their subtotal is $173. So then just tax, depending on where they would live, would be added to that. So that is how it works. So you would click on next step, and then don't worry about where it says add separate sponsor. You would just right away click on that generate link. And it's not showing on our side right now. It's not showing that free diffuser, but when they go to check out, it will add the free diffuser in for them. They'll get the free shipping. So you would just click right here where it says copy link, and then you would either email it to them, text it to them, and then on their end, they just plug in their details and their card information, and they're good to go. If you have questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day.